Here we have number 5. We have 100 milliliters of 0.2 molar HCl with different volumes of 0.5 NaOH. What we need to do is we need to find out if it's acidic, basic, or neutral. Explain your thinking. So the first thing we need to do is anytime we have 100 milliliters with 0.2 molar, this needs to either, if this number, whenever we multiply these two together, is bigger than this number, that is going to then be acidic. If this number is then the same as it is for this number, it's going to be neutral. If this number is then smaller than this number, it's going to be basic. So I'm just going to show you how I would go through that. So number 5A, I have 100 milliliters, 100 milliliters with 0.2 molar HCl. I'm gonna put HCl on the bottom here. 0.2 times 100. Putting that in, those of you that need this too, I will put that in the calculator. 100 times 0.2, showing you that is going to be 20. So I'm going to use this number of 20. Let's sweeten this down. So I'm going to say 20. And then if on the next, the still letter A, I've got 20 milliliters times 0.5 molar. 20 times 0.5. And you've got 10. Which one is larger? So this one is larger, so this one is acidic. We have a larger number, so we have more moles, we have more acid, so this one would be an acidic solution. So letter B, scooping this over. Letter B, we know that we have the same amount, so I'm going to just transfer this over, the 100 milliliters times 0.2 molar. We know that that is 20. But now, instead of having 20 times 0.5, this time we have, so this is of HCl, this time we have 40 milliliters times 0.5 molar of that NaOH. You know, and maybe you can see this already. We got 0.4, excuse me, not 0.4, 4D times 0.5, you know that's 0.2, or excuse me, you know that's 20, excuse me. I just got a text message at the same time I was taking this video, so it kind of got me distracted. So we've got your NaOH is equal to your HCl, so in this case, it is neutral. And then letter C. Letter C is, again, we have that same number of 20, is for the acid. And then lastly, we have 60 milliliters times 0.5. You probably see that in your head there, but just putting it on the calculator. Again, we've got 60 times 0.5, and we've got 30. So now we've got 30 for our NaOH. So therefore, 30 is larger than 20, so 30 would then make it basic. Hopefully that was helpful. I know it's kind of a long video, but again, you can hopefully have a better understanding of what was going on for each one of these in number 5, number 3, number 1, or number 2. All right, have a good night.